welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are back at Max Malaysia, our dealer's workshop, for the installation of this Mercedes-AMG G63. This is the previous generation G-Class 2015 model. Even though it has a 5.5 litre V8 BiTurbo engine, but the stock exhaust sounds terrible. That's why we are upgrading the beast with this IPE full exhaust system. And here is how the stock system actually sounds like. This is the IPE exhaust that we are going to fit on the G63. It comes with Cell 200 cathode downpipes and also chrome black tips. So it has 3 tips on each side, which replaces the stock tips. And this will completely change the look of the G-Class and also gives the G-Class a lot more sound compared to the original exhaust. This is the stock exhaust that we have taken out from the G63. This is the stock downpipe, stock muffler, and the stock system doesn't have any valves configuration. We'll replace with this IPE full exhaust system with Cell 200 cathode downpipe, a Wavetronic muffler, and also replace the dual tips design with this tri-tips outlet. We have fitted in the IPE Cell 200 downpipes and also the Wavetronic muffler. Later we'll fit in the tips and also some wiring works. Then we shall be able to fire up the G63 and listen to how it sounds with the new exhaust system from IPE. From the stock dual exit design to this IPE tri-exit design, so it looks a lot better. Later we'll do some wiring works, complete the remaining wiring works, and also install this gesture control unit that came with the exhaust system. This is the gesture control module that allows us to operate the valves using motion sense. And also IPE exhaust has this mobile application function that you can control the valves using their mobile app. Now the sound test of this G63 with IPE full exhaust system. We have completed the installation of IPE full exhaust system on this Mercedes-AMG G63. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about the new exhaust sound of the G-Class. Remember to like and share our video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting content.